Hey guys, welcome back to Tech for Kids C. Today I just wanted to show you what I've been 3D printing lately. I've been 3D printing some safety equipment. I have some face shields up here, and I have some high five guards, so they just go over your hand here and protects you from high fives. And then these, they go on the back of your head. They're ear protectors, so you attach your regular mask to these things right there, the black things, and then it goes around the back of your head and it takes all the pressure off your ears. So if you're an essential worker, I would be more than happy to give some of these away to those who still have to work. I will leave the link in the description where you can go get some. It's from my website, and I would ship some off to you. You just have to be in Canada if you would like some. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching. I'll leave that link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Where's the off button?